Welcome to the Great Garden channel. I believe that all of us want the orchids in our homes to always be lush, healthy, and full of vibrant blooms. However, sometimes, even with careful care, the leaves remain green while the plant refuses to produce buds, the roots are weak, and the plant looks stunted, leaving you concerned. In today's video, I will share with you a completely natural tip that is extremely simple, yet surprisingly effective. This method is one I have been using regularly in my own garden. With regular application, you will see the orchid's roots develop strong and firmly anchored in the growing medium, allowing the plant to absorb nutrients more effectively, while the leaves become glossy, lush, and full of vitality. At the same time, the orchids in your garden will bloom year-round and last longer. This is the secret to making your home garden more vibrant than ever, using easily accessible ingredients that anyone can try. Let's get started. Before applying organic fertilizer, I'll show you an extremely important tip: rinsing the plant with plain water first. But before that, with my experience as an orchid enthusiast, I'd like to share a small tip to help you accurately determine whether your orchid is lacking water or has enough moisture. When adequately hydrated, orchid roots are plump, jade green, with tender green tips, cool and elastic to the touch. In contrast, if the plant is dehydrated, the roots turn silvery gray or off-white, the tips become dry and hard, and the entire root system shrivels, wrinkles, and breaks easily. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language, comment below, and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Before applying liquid fertilizer to the plant, I will rinse it with clean water. This is like giving the plant a refreshing drink to wake up the roots and moisten the entire growing medium. Once the medium is evenly moistened, the fertilizer solution will be absorbed by the roots more gently and effectively, preventing fertilizer shock or root burn. In particular, pre-watering also helps wash away dust, salt buildup, or leftover fertilizer from previous feedings, keeping the root environment clean. This is a small but extremely important step in plant care, helping the plant absorb maximum nutrients from the fertilizer and grow healthily. So, don't skip it. Always remember to wet the medium and roots before feeding your plant, whether with organic or chemical fertilizer. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. After watering, wait about 30 minutes to allow the plant to absorb the moisture, helping the roots and leaves adjust their water balance. While waiting for the plant to absorb the moisture, let's start preparing the organic fertilizer. Do you like eating bananas? They're not only good for our health, but also very beneficial for your orchids. When you eat one, don't rush to throw the peel away. We'll use the peel of one banana like this. I will cut the banana peel into small pieces. Cutting the peel into smaller pieces helps release nutrients more quickly when soaked in water and increases the surface area in contact with the solution, creating an organic fertilizer rich in minerals and beneficial microorganisms that support strong orchid root growth. Then, I will put it into a jar. Next, add 500 milliliters of boiling water. The next ingredient I'm using is coffee. Coffee provides nitrogen and trace minerals while stimulating beneficial microorganisms improving the growing medium, and helping orchid roots develop healthily. Add 1 teaspoon of coffee to the solution and stir well together with the banana peel. Next, cover the jar tightly and wait about 30 minutes for the water to cool down to a safe level. After 30 minutes of soaking, I prepare 1 liter of water and strain out the banana and coffee grounds, keeping only the clear liquid. This liquid is the nutrient-rich essence, ready to be used directly for wiping the leaves or watering the plant, helping the orchid leaves absorb nutrients optimally. After diluting, the solution is ready to be used as an organic fertilizer, providing optimal nutrients for the orchid. Method 1. First, pour the coffee and banana solution into a small cup. Then use a soft cotton pad soaked lightly in the solution and start wiping the leaves. Wiping the leaves with a solution made from banana peel and coffee grounds is an effective method to help orchids recover and develop comprehensively. While wiping, dust and pathogens on the leaves are removed, and at the same time, nutrients are absorbed through the stomata, stimulating the leaves to become greener, smoother, and stronger. In addition to the English voice, we have now created dubbed voices in French, German, Italian, Spanish, Portuguese, Japanese, Hindi, and Indonesian to help you understand the content more easily. Listen in your preferred language by opening the video and clicking on Settings, the gear icon, to select the appropriate audio language. Banana peels provide minerals and organic matter, while coffee grounds add nitrogen and promote beneficial microorganisms, helping the roots stay healthy and absorb nutrients more effectively. Healthy leaves nourish the roots and flowers, helping orchids bloom evenly, last longer, and maintain vibrant colors. Perform this once a week during the first month, then reduce to once a month. Wipe gently with a clean cotton pad or soft cloth so the nutrients are optimally absorbed and the leaves are protected, keeping the orchid lush and producing beautiful blooms. Method 2. I'll pour the solution into a specialized watering or spray bottle. Then, I'll mist the entire orchid evenly, including the leaves, stems, roots, and the leaf axils where the leaves meet the stem. Misting not only helps maintain the necessary moisture for the plant, but also supports the absorption of nutrients from the spray solution, stimulates strong root growth, and enhances the overall resistance of the plant. The orchid's leaves and stems become lush and firm, while the flowers are better nourished, bloom evenly, and last longer. During the initial care stage, misting should be done once a week to provide continuous nutrients, then reduced to 1 to 2 times per month to maintain overall health, ensuring the orchid develops sustainably, evenly, and robustly. Method 3. I pour the solution into a watering can. Then, gently water the mixture around the base of the plant. This not only provides essential nutrients such as nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, but also promotes comprehensive growth from leaves to roots, helping the plant maintain balanced nutrition and boost its vitality. The mixture also helps improve the structure of the growing medium, loosening the soil to create an optimal environment for the roots to absorb nutrients efficiently, while enhancing the plant's resistance against fungi, bacteria, and harmful insects. When the plant is properly nourished, the foliage becomes lush and glossy, the roots strong, and the flowers bloom evenly and last longer, resulting in sustainable growth and a vibrant, healthy appearance for the entire orchid. You can also use this solution to water all other types of orchids, as the natural nutrients from banana peels and coffee grounds not only provide ample potassium, phosphorus, nitrogen, and essential trace elements, but also promote the activity of beneficial microorganisms in the growing medium. Regular use of this solution also helps balance nutrients and improve the quality of the growing medium, creating an ideal environment for the plant to absorb maximum nutrients, develop comprehensively, and always be ready to produce beautiful flowers. In cases where water accumulates on the leaves or in the leaf axils, you should use a soft cloth or clean cotton to gently dry them, preventing the conditions that promote mold and disease development. This not only helps prevent leaf rot, but also protects the leaves from bacteria and pathogen invasion. In particular, if you have recently fertilized, excess fertilizer residue can stick to the leaves or leaf axils, and over time may cause leaf burn, rot, or create an ideal environment for mold growth. Use a soft cloth or cotton to absorb excess water and fertilizer, gently wiping each leaf and leaf axil without damaging the leaf tissue. If you want to learn the secret to caring for Phalaenopsis orchids, make sure to watch this video carefully until the end. Your orchids will become strong, grow new roots, and bloom vibrantly all year round. This helps keep the leaves dry and clean, while allowing them to absorb light more effectively, enhancing photosynthesis. This simple habit will help the orchid stay healthy, with strong roots, glossy leaves, reduced pest problems, and flowers that bloom beautifully and last longer. Results. After 2 weeks of care using the banana peel and coffee grounds mixture, the orchid's leaves become glossy and strong, the foliage full of vitality, and new roots grow firmly and healthily. In particular, even for orchids that are usually difficult to bloom, like the ones shown at the beginning of the video, new flower buds have now appeared, demonstrating the clear effectiveness of this natural care method. This shows that with just a few easily accessible ingredients, you can revive your orchids, promoting strong roots, green leaves, and even vibrant blooms, resulting in healthy, lively, and colorful plants. This is the result of proper care and providing natural nutrients. Every green leaf, healthy root, and blooming flower is a testament to the love and patience you have for your plants. Enjoy every moment of caring for your orchids. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. See you in the next video on the Great Garden channel.